بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hello brothers, sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can create this kind of design for our images to put on the wall of our houses and villas. So the first thing in Photoshop, of course, it will be the lesson will be in Photoshop, and we see which one is the best way or the best design. We can after that decide which one is the best design to make it. Anyhow, first of all, we have to open Photoshop and create new. Of course, we have to first specify our image. I will change here to centimeters. We have to change it. We have to measure the dimension of the picture that we have. But let me try it in on an A4 drawing, or I can do it. For example, is here it's in millimeters, so I can make it in centimeters. The width I want to make it landscape. The width, let's say we have 120. Okay, 120 maybe by 80 cm. So this is the dimension of the total image. So it's okay. Or we can change this one 150. Sorry, 150 by maybe 100. Anyhow, we will see this. Of course, we have to, if we want to for print, we have to make this resolution is bigger, a little bit bigger, maybe 400 or 500, whatever you have. It's depend on your computer. Okay, so just click create. After that, I will go to file and open, and I have a file on my desktop, which is new folder. I have this picture. Okay, I downloaded this picture on Google, so I'll bring this picture to this one. As you see, you have to click here to show transform controls. You have to select the picture that has a high resolution. Okay, because if it's not high resolution, it will not be good. Okay, after that, as you see here, we don't have layers, so I will go to window and bring up layers. Where's it? Yeah, this one. I want to bring these layers. After that, I have to decide which kind of design I want. For example, where I have to go to here, rectangles. Okay, as you see, I want to make rectangles, as you see, just like this. This one is not about the color is not important. As you see, we have 3000. I can make it for 1000 by maybe 1000. Or maybe this is 3000, and this is, let's say we have 12,000, just like this, and after that put it like this. Okay, so what I have to do now, I can just press Alt key and go to and put this one. And this is one of the things, but there's another thing. I can go to view and new grid layout. How many pictures that I have, for example, I want to be 5 parts. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 parts, so I want to make it 5 parts. After that, the between one picture and the space between them, let's say we want to 2 inches. For this, we wanted 2 inches, so just like this. After that, what I have to go, I have to view and go to ruler. As you see, I have to bring ruler, and I want to put one here, and again put one here. After that, I can just bring like this. Is better to make something like this. Okay, after that, Alt and if you go back to the rectangle shapes, as you see here, what we have 13,000, or let me first of all let me delete this one and make this one is a regular one, so I will make 13,000. Is better, no problem. We will miss a little bit a small part of this picture, but it's not important for us. Okay, after that, Alt, bring it to this one and to that one also. Again, the same thing for this and this. So just copy these files. Okay, that's very good. After that, I will go back to the here rectangle tool, and I will use let me first select this one, go back to rectangles. As you see, this 13, I want to make it 11,000, and okay, after that click select this one, rectangle, and 9,000. It's just like this again. Okay, you can just click here. Okay, I'm sorry. If we click, let me select this one, delete, go back to selection, select this one, and again go back this one, 11,000. Select and go back here, 9,000 pixels. So it's very good. As you see, we have some shapes here. We have 5 shapes. If we want to, we can change the design later, no problem. Okay, we can change the design later, and we will make it one line with this, Okay, so what I have to do, I have to make this picture to duplicate it 5 times. So it should be 5. We have 5. Okay, duplicate this 3, duplicate 4, and another time duplicate. So what I have to do, I have to put top each one and one picture, one layer. Okay, just like this. After that, I will divide the others also, just like this. What I can do now, I can just select this one, right click, go to create clipping mask. This one, go to create clipping mask. This one, create clipping mask, and this one, right click, create clipping mask. As you see, we have 3, but what we have to do, we have to copy this one another time. So we can just duplicate layer. Okay, I have to take it to the top, right click, duplicate layer. Okay, so anyhow, another time select this one, create clipping mask, and this one, create clipping mask. As you see, now we have this kind of pictures that we can see here. If we see the distance between them is not good, we can change it, no problem. Or if we want to change these layers, just by selecting these rectangles, you see, we can use this rectangle, and we see first which one, this one and this one. If we want, we can bring it, I'm sorry, Control Z, we have to bring select the rectangles. Okay, we can, no problem, we can bring this in the middle. Sorry, the rectangle should be rectangle, and press Ctrl key and use this rectangle. After that, using arrow key to change, you see to change the design that we have. Again, for the rest, to this one and this one. So select both, just bring it down. You see, you can select whatever you want. If you want, for example, we can use this one and take it to the top. Sorry, by using arrow key, just like this. And not this one, this one, let's bring it down, all the way down. And we see this one like this, or it's up to you about the design, whatever you want. After that, what we can do, we can just print these layers, and to make it separate pictures, and print it and hang it on the wall, on our wall. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video.